Here it is given that the region between two concentric spheres of radii A and B respectively has volume charge density rho is equal to A by R, where A is a constant and R is the distance from the center. At the center of this sphere is a point charge Q. The value of A such that the electric field in the region between the spheres will be constant. Here it is given that the region between the spheres is electric field E is constant, and in this region the volume charge density rho is equal to A by R, where R is a distance, that is volume is a function of a distance, it is distance. So we have to find here the value of A. So at first we are considering a Gaussian surface, which is a Gaussian surface of radius small r and thickness dr. Here, to use Gauss' law, we have to know the total amount of charge of this sphere, that is Gaussian sphere. So in the question it is given that here total charge is Q and here it is given the volume charge density. So इस रीजन पर जो टोटल चार्ज है वो है Q इज इक्वल टू इंटीग्रेशन, क्योंकि हम लोग ये छोटा एलिमेंटरी थिकनेस लिया हुआ है, रॉ इंटू 4πr² इंटू dr from A to R. This is the total charge in this region, which gives rho is equal to 1 by A by R into 4πr² dr, which gives a 4π A is constant and R dr from A to R, which gives 4π A r² by 2 A to R, which gives 4π A by 2 into r² minus s², which gives 2π A r² minus s². This is the total charge of this region, that is up to from A to R. Now according to Gauss law, E dot ds is equal to total charge by epsilon naught. So here E is a constant in this region and ds, that is total surface area. Total surface area is 4π r², which gives total charge. Total charge means at the center it is Q plus, and in the solid part it is 2π A r² minus s² whole divided by epsilon naught. Therefore we can write E is equal to Q plus 2π capital A r² minus s² divided by 4π r², which gives E is equal to Q minus 2π A s² whole divided by 4π r² plus 2π A divided by 4π r² cancelled here. So according to question, E is constant in this region, ये रीजन पर E constant है. So here it is in the expression हम लोगों को क्या मिला है, ये पार्ट जो है R का फंक्शन, which is not possible. So we can write Q माइनस 2 पाई ए स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 0। अगर ये नहीं होगा तो ये यहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कांस्टेंट भी नहीं होगा। तो देयरफॉर वी गेट Q is equal to 2 pi a square. Therefore, A is equal to Q by 2 pi a square, which is our answer.